In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide columns in Power BI. This is a simple way to keep your report clean and focused by removing columns you don't want report builders to use without deleting any data from your model. Start by opening the Power BI desktop app on your computer, then open one of your existing reports. Give it a moment to load the model. On the left side of the screen, switch to Model View. This view is designed for managing your tables, relationships, and metadata. You'll see your tables laid out, and within each table, all of the columns are listed. Find the column you want to hide and click it to select it. With the column selected, look for the small eye icon next to it. Click that eye icon to hide the column from report view. If you prefer, there's another way to do the same thing. Select the column, open the properties pane, and check the option labeled hidden. Both methods have the exact same effect. Choose whichever feels faster for you. To confirm the change, check that the column's appearance in model view updates. Depending on your version, it may look dimmed or show a hidden indicator. There's no separate save button for this. The change is stored with your report file as soon as you make it. Remember, hiding a column does not remove it from the data model. Calculations, relationships, and visuals that already use the column will continue to work. You're simply making it unavailable for selection when building new visuals. Now switch back to report view using the icons on the left. Look at the data pane on the right where your fields normally appear. The column you just hid will no longer be listed there. That's your confirmation that it's hidden from report building. If you need it again later, go back to model view, select the column, and either click the eye icon to unhide it or uncheck hidden in the properties pane. A quick tip, use hiding to keep the data pane tidy. Things like technical keys, helper columns, or intermediate columns used only in calculations are great candidates to hide. It helps teammates focus on the fields that matter most and reduces mistakes during report creation. And that's all there is to it. You've learned how to hide columns in Power BI using the model view and verified the result in report view. Thanks for watching.